Here we've got the integral of x squared e to the negative x dx, and we're working with a product here that does not appear to be easily solved with a u sub, and so what we can do is let u equal x squared, du then becomes 2x, dv of course is e to the negative x, and then to integrate that we get v equals e to negative x over negative 1, but we'll just put a negative out front to remedy the negative 1. And because this is integration by parts, we'll go over and across, and then down over. And so what we've got is x squared, negative out front, e to the negative x, minus the integral, and we have another negative here, so this becomes a plus. We also have a 2 out front, so we'll pop a 2 there, x e to the negative x dx. And we have another product here, so we'll do another integration by parts. We'll let u equal x. The derivative of u becomes the derivative of x. dv, of course, is e to the negative x once again. And v, again, becomes negative e to the negative x. Integration by parts, again, we'll go over and then down over. So we've got negative x squared e to the negative x plus 2 times negative x e to the negative x, just going across here. And then we'll go back down over, minus the integral, and this is a negative, so that turns it into a positive, e to the negative x dx. Now this integral we've already done twice here and in the previous step, so we know that that is negative e to the negative x. So that allows us to easily rewrite this, or rewrite negative e to negative x there. We've got negative x squared e to the negative x minus 2 times, multiplying this 2 by this minus, x e to negative x, and then we have another 2 times another negative, that's minus 2 e to the negative x, and this is an indefinite integral, so we have to remember to add c at the end. So this is our final solution. If you really wanted to, you could extract the e to the negative x, and that would look like this, e to the negative x times negative x squared minus 2x minus 2 plus c. You could even extract this negative and change all of these to positives if you really wanted to. Either way, this is the solution to the integral x squared e to the negative x. If you have any questions, or if you've got any additional problems that you'd like me to try, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.